Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring core permissions are granted and sensors are active. This avoids drift. Once done, open Google Maps. Do not wait. Tap the blue location dot to center yourself because live features require a locked position. Make sure your phone's AR calibration is accurate by waving it slowly. The app will request camera access for live view. These first actions put you in the exact state needed to switch into live navigation and augmented view without delays or repeated restarts. You now move into the complex middle steps. Select live view from the blue dot menu or directions screen. Point the camera at recognizable landmarks and align the overlays until the arrows lock. This helps maps match virtual guidance to reality. If you're navigating, choose walking mode. Live view is optimized for pedestrians. Make sure the compass and motion sensors are stable. If they twitch, tap the compass icon to recalibrate. Once arrows appear, follow them and watch the distance, and ETA update in real time. To finish, follow the final turns until your destination shows, then tap Done to close live view. You can share your live location for a set time through the Share button. This keeps others updated. If you see drift or misaligned arrows, make sure GPS has a clear sky view. Toggle Wi-Fi and recalibrate the compass by rotating the phone in a figure 8. If problems persist, restart Maps or your device. That usually clears sensor and permission glitches, so live view runs smoothly again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.